How to turn off auto answer on car Bluetooth iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the settings application on your iPhone. Now, once you are here, scroll down to find and tap on accessibility. Inside the accessibility menu, scroll down to the physical and motor section and tap on touch. This section allows you to manage how you interact with your screen. On the touch screen, scroll down to find and tap on call audio routing. You can choose between automatic, Bluetooth headset, or speaker. Below these options, you will find the auto answer call setting, which you can tap on to turn the feature off. Following these steps, you can easily turn off auto answer on a car Bluetooth on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.